Did you know that everyday items in your home could pose a serious threat to your health? These seemingly harmless items can contain hidden toxins and germs that increase the risk of developing cancer and other serious illnesses. In today's video, we will tell you about 9 such items and their effects on your health. Stay with us to learn which items can be dangerous and how to make your home safer. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive helpful health information. What do you know about scented candles? They decorate our homes with soft light and a pleasant aroma, creating a cozy atmosphere. However, behind this idyllic image lies a worrying reality. These beloved candles contain dangerous chemicals such as limonene and phthalates. Limonene, with its citrus scent, turns into formaldehyde when oxidized in the air. Formaldehyde is classified as a human carcinogen and can cause inflammation and liver toxicity, increasing the risk of lung and breast cancer. Pregnant women are particularly vulnerable, as their fetuses are also exposed to these negative effects. Phthalates prolong the fragrance in the air, but are known endocrine disruptors. These chemicals can also affect brain development, leading to behavioral disorders in children. Therefore, it's important to limit the use of scented candles indoors, especially in bedrooms, where they can increase carbon monoxide levels and cause dizziness, headaches, and nausea. What about toothpaste? It's an essential part of our daily hygiene, but many of us don't realize that it can contain harmful chemicals. One such component is triclosan, an antibacterial substance often added to toothpaste to fight oral bacteria. However, research has shown that triclosan can disrupt hormonal balance and potentially contribute to cancer development. For instance, triclosan can be found in some popular toothpaste brands, so always read the labels. Another concerning substance is fluoride. Although it helps prevent cavities, excessive amounts can lead to health problems like fluorosis and even an increased risk of certain cancers. Fortunately, there are natural alternatives to toothpaste that do not contain triclosan or fluoride. Brands like Tom's of Maine and Dr. Bronner's offer toothpastes made from natural ingredients that are gentle on the body. When you use shampoos and conditioners to keep your hair clean and healthy, you may not think about what's in them. Many popular hair care products contain chemicals that can be harmful to your health. Sulfates, such as sodium lauryl sulfate, are widely used in shampoos to create lather, but they can cause skin irritation and allergic reactions. Long-term use of sulfate products can lead to dryness and hair damage, as well as disrupting the natural balance of your scalp. Parabens, used as preservatives, are also a cause for concern. Studies have shown that parabens can mimic estrogen and disrupt hormonal balance, potentially increasing the risk of breast cancer. To protect your health and hair, it is recommended to use natural shampoos and conditioners that do not contain sulfates or parabens. You can use regular natural soap or brands like Jason, Avalon, and organics that offer safe and effective hair care products made from natural ingredients. Have you ever wondered what hides behind the pleasant aroma of air fresheners? These products may seem harmless, but they can pose a significant threat to your health. Air fresheners often contain phthalates and formaldehyde. Phthalates are used to extend the duration of the fragrance, but are known endocrine disruptors that can disrupt hormonal balance and contribute to various diseases, including cancer. Formaldehyde, classified as a carcinogen, can cause respiratory irritation, allergic reactions, and an increased risk of cancer. Studies show that frequent use of air fresheners can cause breathing problems, especially in people with asthma or allergies. Constant exposure to these chemicals can also cause headaches, dizziness, and eye irritation. To improve air quality in your home, it is recommended to use natural alternatives such as essential oils or simply ventilate the rooms. These methods will help create a healthy and safe atmosphere without harmful chemicals. Cleaning products ensure cleanliness and hygiene in our homes, but many of them contain harmful chemicals that can pose a health hazard. For example, bleaches and ammonia, often used in cleaning products, can cause respiratory and skin irritation. Studies show that regular use of such products is associated with an increased risk of developing asthma and other respiratory diseases. Another group of hazardous substances is volatile organic compounds, VOCs, found in aerosol cleaning products. VOCs can evaporate into the air and cause headaches, dizziness, and even liver and kidney damage with prolonged exposure. To reduce the risk of exposure to harmful chemicals, it is recommended to use natural cleaning products such as vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. These safe and eco-friendly alternatives effectively clean without harming your health. Have you ever wondered how safe your plastic tableware is? This everyday item can contain harmful chemicals that can negatively impact your health. Many types of plastic tableware contain bisphenol A, BPA, which can leach into food and drinks. BPA is a known endocrine disruptor linked to various health problems such as breast and prostate cancer, infertility, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Research has shown that BPA can mimic the hormone estrogen, disrupting the normal functioning of the endocrine system. This is especially dangerous for children and pregnant women, as BPA exposure can affect fetal development and cause long-term health problems. To reduce the risk of BPA exposure, it is recommended to use stainless steel, glass, or ceramic tableware. These materials do not contain harmful chemicals and are safe for health. The eighth item is non-stick cookware. The popularity of non-stick cookware is due to its convenience and ease of cleaning. However, behind this practicality lie potential health risks. Non-stick coatings, such as Teflon, can release toxic fumes when heated. Studies have shown that at temperatures above 260 degrees Celsius, Teflon begins to decompose, releasing toxic gases that can cause flu-like symptoms known as Teflon flu. In addition, long-term exposure to these chemicals is associated with an increased risk of cancer and other serious illnesses. To reduce the risk, it is recommended to use alternative types of cookware, such as ceramic, cast iron, or stainless steel. These materials do not release harmful substances when heated and are safe for cooking. The ninth item is antiparasitic products for pets. You want to protect them from fleas and ticks, but do you know that some antiparasitic products can be dangerous? Many popular antiparasitic products contain chemicals such as fipronil, which can be toxic not only to animals, but also to humans. Fipronil is associated with various health problems, including skin irritation, neurological symptoms, and even potential cancer risk. In addition, pesticides used in these products can accumulate in the body and cause long-term effects such as endocrine disruption and nerve damage. To minimize risk, consider using natural alternatives such as essential oils and herbal extracts that can effectively repel parasites without harming the health of your pets and family. So, we've covered 9 everyday items that can increase the risk of developing cancer and other serious diseases. If you notice that you are using one or more of these items, don't ignore this information. Consider switching to safer alternatives and take steps to protect your health and the health of your loved ones. Remember that your health is the most valuable thing you have. Lead a healthy lifestyle, choose safe products and household items, and consult your doctor regularly. We hope this information has been helpful to you. Subscribe to our channel for more useful content about health and well-being. See you in the next video.